Hey everybody, it's Neil and Penny again, and I want to show you what we got here. I'm going to show it to you, and I already kind of opened it up and got it set up. So this thing here, this is cool. So for me and my little puppy here, I want to protect her. So when we go in the RV or when we go in the car or something like that, and I leave her alone somewhere, I want to know she's safe, right? Okay, that's always what we want to know with our puppies. And so what this is, I'll show you here. We'll open it up. We'll kind of unbox it here. This is a temperature and humidity sensor that works over the cellular network. So what I can do is I already opened it up and put the batteries in it here. It actually comes with a little double-sided tape, so I could tape it into there if I wanted to keep it in a particular vehicle, but I'm actually going to want to be able to take it with me wherever I go. So I'm going to want to put on this little string here and have it there so I can take it. It comes with a charger and a plug. Okay, so there, we've got that, and it came with the batteries and I put them in, so we are set up to go. Right, Penny? And so what this is I'm gonna show you here. Sit right here, Penny. I don't know if you can see on here. Let's see. Oops, let me see. I think I had to push it or shake it. There we go. You can see it's got a temperature and humidity sensor in there, and it has cellular connectivity. So what this is going to give me to do, and it has alerts and everything, so it's cool. It's got everything I need, which is super cool. So there's an app you install, and so I installed the app here on my phone. I'll just kind of show you it here. It just says, hello, Neil, and good girl, Penny, stay there. And it tells me like the temperature and stuff, and I think I can go and set it up for, I don't know why this one here, I didn't even look at that before, but I guess that's just got the temperature outside. But then here we have our device, and here we have the temperature right now. It says it's 76.1, the humidity is 43. And so I can set up alerts and things like that even on here as well. So what it does, and see, tracks it over time. So what it's gonna do is I just put this into my RV when we're going, and if I'm going to go out for the day and do something, I can just leave this in there, and if it gets too hot, it's gonna send me an alert and let me know that it's too hot in my car. Or I'm just in a restaurant or something like that if she was not allowed in and she has to wait out there. So this is going to be like a great little device that she can always have with her everywhere. I mean, I wish I could put it on her collar. It's a little big for my little puppy. But if I needed to, if I was going to go somewhere and I wanted to do that, I could probably hang it from there and have her just walking around with it if she needed it. But this is such a great little device. I mean, it's just so cool because I can keep it in the car, and then if I'm out there doing a race, because I've been doing these 5Ks, and sometimes she comes with me, but she's not going to be able to run a 5K, so I just kind of leave her in the car. But this will alert me if for some reason the temperature gets too hot or too cold or whatever I set it for. So how cool is that? I actually have a Tesla, so my car keeps it the right temperature, but this will alert me if for some reason something goes wrong. So super cool, and it's a great little device. So definitely pick up one of these things here. This is gonna be like a lifesaver for your puppy or your dog or your cat, or if you have a grandma you're leaving in your car when you're going shopping and stuff, you can always keep a track of the temperature. And it works off of the cellular network, and it's got 2 years worth of battery or 2 years worth of service that it comes with, and then it's something like $30 a year after that. Probably it's like pretty inexpensive. So it's just a great little life-saving device here to have. So super cool. And this is what the box looked like here and here. I mean, I scanned one of these QR codes for fun, and it brought me up to a Chinese website. So the app is just called the ALAZUR or something, whatever brand it is. I'll tell you what it's called, so you guys can look it up. You can probably just even install the app. It's called ALAZUR Home. ALAZUR Home. It's the only app I have installed on this phone. Here, right there. So there we go. So how cool, super awesome. Definitely pick up one of these things. Thumbs up for sure. Right, Penny?